I went with a friend, Michelle, to watch Alice in Wonderland today, and we were both astonished by the 3D effects. And coming home, my immediate thought was, how can I create those at home without needing the glasses and just using a simple camcorder? And it turned out to be quite simple. And I've had a bit of fun playing around, first with some static images, and then actually trying to do a moving image. I'm afraid you have to go a bit cross-eyed for this one, but do give it a go and see whether it works for you. And heavens, if you want to have a bit of a play yourselves, all the better. I certainly enjoyed myself thoroughly doing this.